tutorial on having students log in and parent help to become an observer. Obviously, it's going to be a bit more difficult because I'm not really dealing with a student account, but I'll walk you through it the best way I can. On their iPads, they will have a class link app. So they will click on that. You may have a card for them to scan. If you do, great. You can click this. It's going to open up the camera and you can just scan their card. If they don't, their username is going to be, like I said, their email address, but without the @RSS, and their password is going to be their lunch number. Now, then they choose the Canvas icon here, and that's going to bring them to the NC Ed Cloud check-in. Now, the problem with this is you will have to go in and manually change their password. They'll have a password already. It's not going to be an easy password to remember. So what I always do is I go in, when you're on your NC Cloud, I change the password for everyone, make it something simple that everybody can remember. For example, at North Rowan Elementary School, I might do NRES 23. So again, when they log in here, they're going to use their lunch number and then the password that you set. So that's different. So for username, it's going to be their lunch number. And for here, it's going to be the password that you set for them. Now, I told you about setting the password. Let me see if I can show you a bit of that. I'll show you that in a minute, actually. So that's one way that they can get in. Now, I told you about changing the password. So see this box up here that says applications. You want to come down and select people. Now, and click my students. That's going to give you all your students. Now, I can't show you here because I don't have any students. But if you click the name, you should be able, there should be an option to change the password. And you can select all of them at the same time. Change the password to something easy that they're going to remember to get them in a bit easier. So let's talk about getting parents in. So to get parents in, you want to go to, I lost my Canvas page. Where'd it go? Let's just go back here, dashboard, and let's just get in Canvas. So I don't actually have a class that has students in it, but if you did, you would come here, you would go to Manage Subject, you would go to People, and then from here, you should be able to get a observation code. It'll be in this little box here, these 3 dots. Click that, and you should have an option to obtain an observation code or a pairing code for the parent. Then the parent has to go to this https://rss.instructure.com/login/Canvas. This can be found in the guide under Canvas Student and Parent Help. So you send them that link. They click on the link, and then they need to click in the top right-hand corner next to the Rowan Salisbury logo. They're going to create login credentials, and they need to use the pairing code to complete their account setup. So that's how you get the parents in. I wish I could show you a bit better on here, but unfortunately, I don't have a class with students in it. Okay, I hope that helped. If you have any questions, you're welcome to email me.